You had the hiccups? You have the hiccups, Ray? You do? Go drink some water. It looks like they're gone. They didn't last long. Raymond, you glad they're gone? No more hiccups?